So good evening to all. Hope you all are doing great. So today in this video, we'll be discussing about South Indian Bank share. So about this particular stock, we already discussed in our previous videos. We have discussed the fundamentals of the company and also we have discussed the technicals. So what we have discussed in the fundamentals, so we discussed that the PE of the company and we found that to be very less as compared to the sector PE. So there is nothing much to lose in the company. So one important level that we have discussed is almost the 7 rupees as well as the 6 rupees level. So now since the stock is technically neutral, so any movement may happen at any possible time. So we'll see what can be done. So we'll do the technical analysis and we'll try to find out the next set of targets. So before that, if you're new to the channel, then definitely subscribe the channel and press the bell icon to get instantly notified, and also join the Telegram group so that any instant updates regarding any stock, whether it may be upper circuit or lower circuit stock, I'm updating so that it will be very quick for you to buy the stock. Okay, so I'll provide the link in the comment section. So if you see the market cap of the company, so you can see currently the market cap is around 1200 crores, and if you see the current market price is 6.75. so you can see the downfall that is seen in the stock is reducing day by day. And what is the most important as well as interesting thing, so the deliverable quantity is increasing and the traded quantity is reducing. So it's a very good indication both technically as well as we have seen valuation wise, as well as PE also is very less as compared to the sector PE. So clearly you can see sector PE or industry PE is almost 25.25 and current PE you can see almost 10.89. so you can see PE is also very less. And also when we see the financials of the company, when we have discussed in our earlier videos, we have seen that NPAs are slightly reducing. So that is also a very good indication for the bank. Only it need to improve the loan book as well as the bad loans also should be reduced, so that we can say that the bank in the next we can say coming years it will show a good movement. So long term wise we have seen nothing much great returns are reported by the company. So almost on 10-year frame, 5-year time frame, we have seen only the negative returns. So completely it has not given great returns, but it requires a little much of patience from this particular level. If we invest from 6 rupees or the bottom levels, we can see very good returns in a short span of time. So we'll discuss that, so watch the video till the end. Okay, so when we see the overall, if we see the volume analysis, so what you can see on 30th September, you can see 57.3% deliverable quantity was seen. And if we compare that with the weekly, monthly, so you can see the traded quantity is reducing and the deliverable quantity is increasing. It implies that many people are adding this particular stock into their demat account without doing any sort of selling. Okay, so deliverable quantity is increasing, so that is a good indication. So on 30th September, so that is today, we can see almost 57.3% deliverable quantity was seen. So what the indicators is suggesting, so indicators is one thing, so that gives a double confirmation after the technicals. So first we see overall volume analysis, so then we switch over to the indicators to have a confirmation that we are entering at the right moment or not. So clearly you can see even the money flow index is near 32 as well as RSI is near 41. So what is this 32 number? So whenever any stock approaches 30 below is called oversold region. Whenever stock approaches oversold region, a possible reversal will happen and the stock will start increasing. And in the same way, when it approaches the 70 mark, again pullback will happen, that is selling will be seen in the stock. So that I'll show you on the technical chart, so you'll clearly understand the concept of money flow index as well as RSI. So in my every video I discuss this so as to have a confirmation that technically also the stock is we can see whether we can do buying or selling. So that is very important concept. So we'll see that on technical charts. So returns wise we already discussed. So you can see 1 week totally flat, only 1.50 positive returns. So 1 month 11% negative returns. So in 6 months you can see 23% returns, that is positive returns were reported. And in 3-year, 1 year you can see only negative returns were given. And in 10-year time frame you can see negative returns only are given. So mainly because of the financials of the company. So it little bit of improvement is seen. So consistency if it is present in the bank, then definitely we can see decent returns. So we can't expect much more great returns. For that we require patience. So banking sector is one sector which requires very patience, and competition also will be present, so that should be sustained, so then only we can see new highs. So that is one important thing. Okay, so we're back onto the technical chart. So currently you can see the market price is 6.75. So today we'll discuss one such level, so where we can start investing in this particular bank. So that particular level, so clearly if you draw the support, you can see 6.6 is one level. So that is very important and crucial level where you can start investing. So in always, as I suggest, don't invest in bulk amounts. So keep a small portion of your investment, and whenever you see any sort of correction or when you get a chance to invest, especially when market corrects, then you can average. So clearly, as we discussed the concept of money flow index, so this is the money flow index. You can go to the indicator section and type money flow index there, so it'll automatically that indicator will be put onto your charts. From there you can see this is the bottom level, so that we discussed, that is the 30 level. Okay, so this bottom is 30 and this up one is the 70 or 80, so whatever we can take. So whenever it touches the bottom, so you can see pullback happens. So you can see here the share price also goes again. When it comes down, even the share comes down. So clearly you can see the stock is also approaching again the oversold region. So that is what I discussed in the previous slides. So whenever it approaches oversold region, again pullback happens. So you need to add at the 6.6 level if you can. And people are already holding, they can average at a 6.6 rupees level. Okay, so targets, if you want the targets, you need to wait for the targets of 7.50 can be achieved. So that will give a very good returns in a short span of time. So same in 1 week chart also. So clearly you can see it is approaching the oversold region. So little bit of more correction. So currently you can see what is the price, 6.75. So exactly when it approaches the 6.6 level, then automatically this will also go to oversold region. So double confirmation, and we will enter at that particular level. So people are interested only, they can enter. So this is not any recommendation. So I'm just discussing the levels because many people were asking about this particular stock because they were struck at various levels, whether it may be 7.58. For them we are discussing these levels, and also fresh investment can be done at 6.6 level. So this is what the level in 1 week also it is obeying that. So definitely you can add at that particular level for targets of 7.5 as well as 8. Okay, so wait patiently, average only in small quantities, and don't do any sort of bulk investment. So this is all about South India Bank. So if you like the video, definitely like and subscribe. So until then, in next videos also we'll discuss about some good penny stocks so that you need to add in your portfolio. So do share it to your friends, and if you're new to the channel, definitely subscribe. So until then, take care. Bye bye.